In this video, we will show you how to install the IAH10D. Part 1. The introduction of IAH10D. Its screen is 258mm long and 160mm wide, as well as its rear chassis is 170mm, 36mm and 95mm in length, width and height respectively. Available assembly parts are movable mounting brackets, double-DIN side brackets, single-DIN side brackets, and the adaptive cage. Please choose the parts according to the opening size and structure to finish the assembly. How to check whether the IAH10D is applicable in your vehicle. Please make sure your dashboard opening has enough space for the double-DIN head unit installation. Part 2. Installation methods of IAH10D. Here are two installation methods for IAH10D, the standard double-DIN opening installation, and the vehicle-specific opening installation. Method 1. The standard double-DIN opening installation. Let's check some double-DIN opening examples: standard double-DIN opening, single-DIN with single-DIN pocket, and the converted double-DIN opening. Next, please choose the movable mounting brackets, double-DIN side brackets, and the adaptive cage. Now, let's check the steps one by one. Standard double-DIN opening installation step. Step 1. Assemble the double-DIN side brackets on both left and right sides of the adaptive cage, then fix them with 3 screws on both sides respectively. Step 2. Assemble the movable mounting brackets on both left and right sides of the adaptive cage, then fix them with 2 screws on both sides respectively. Attention please! Please choose the suitable screw fixing position according to the actual assembly situation. Step 3. Install the combined adaptive cage into the standard double-DIN opening, and fix it on the opening with 2 screws on both left and right sides respectively. Attention please! In order to have enough installation space to fix the IAH10D into the adaptive cage, screw holes on the top and both sides of the adaptive cage must be exposed. Step 4. If you need to apply a vehicle-specific dash kit, please install it at this step. The mounting kit is not included in the package. Attention please! The vehicle-specific dash kit is offered by the third-party supplier. Step 5. Install the IAH10D into the adaptive cage, and fasten 2 screws on each side, and 2 screws on the top. The installation position can be adjusted according to the actual installation condition. Attention please! For very few vehicles, the edge of IAH10D screen may block the air vent, emergency switch, or other buttons located around, and result in inconvenience. Method 2. The vehicle-specific opening installation. For the vehicle-specific opening installation, please purchase the vehicle-specific Yofeng installation dash kits. Now, let's have a look of the installation steps for the vehicle-specific opening. Vehicle-specific opening installation steps. Step 1. Please assemble the adaptive cushion onto IAH10D, and fix them with 2 screws on each side. Step 2. Assemble the vehicle-specific Yofeng installation dash kit onto the IAH10D, and fix them with 5 screws, 1 on the top, 2 on each side. Step 3. Install the combined IAH10D into the opening, then press it tightly to fix it firmly on the position. Part 3. Attention! Firstly, while installing the head unit into the single-DIN opening, the head unit may not suit the opening well. If the installation failed, or you are not satisfied with the final installation effect, please contact ATOTO after service team. They are always willing to help you. Secondly, regarding the vehicle-specific installation, the dashboard and harness are supplied by Yofeng. Please purchase separately. At present, dozens of vehicle-specific dash kits are available, and the number is still counting. If you would like to buy the vehicle-specific dash kits for the integrated and adaptive head unit, please visit ATOTO official website, or contact ATOTO after service team.